Wait, Gene, you want to get the start up on the outside? Hi, thanks for watching Cars, Shops, and Collections. I appreciate it so much. All the support, everyone that watches the show, the subscribers, thank you so much. And check this out, Gene got me this. It's the official Cars, Shops, and Collections license plate cover, because we can do this, because a lot of people don't want their plate being shown on camera, so now we can go. You can blur that out, right, Gene? It's a work in progress. This is episode number 78. We're gonna go see another Gene who's got a 1965 Fastback Mustang Gen 1. He's waiting for us around the corner. Let's go see Gene. Hopefully he doesn't want his license plate blurred out. This is a cool part of town. If you ever watch Counting Cars, I love Counting Cars. I love Danny Coker, the whole crew. You ever see the episodes where they're just cruising around Las Vegas looking for cars? This is the kind of area that they're in. It's an older part of Las Vegas. Just really cool cars parked in people's driveways on the side of the street. It's a neat part of town. Oh, dang! Right there waiting for us, man. Let's go check this out. That is awesome. 1965 Fastback. Wow. How cool is this just sitting out front like this in the front yard? Dude, what's up, man? It's nice to meet you, brother. How's it going?
Good.
This is Gene, my Gene, photographer Gene.
Hey.
Dude, that is, pulling up here, man, that is a wicked shot.
Yeah.
That is really cool, buddy. Yeah, I love that.
Hi, I'm Gene Andrade. Today we're going to talk about my 65 Mustang Fastback.
First off, man, dude, thanks for having us, man.
Yeah,
I'm excited, man.
And I'm excited.
You're pulling down the street here, the golden hour, the sun hitting your Mustang, it just pops. This is so cool.
Thank you.
So 65 Mustang Fastback.
Yes.
This was your dad's car.
This was my dad's car, yes. He's had it for a long time. He passed away last year, so it became ours. We've just been fixing it up little at a time.
It's
trying to get it to last forever.
Well, it's a beautiful car, and I'm sorry about you losing your father.
Yeah, thank you.
But I love seeing the fact that the car stays in the family.
Absolutely.
You've got the car, you've got your son who's now is a car fanatic, and you're working on kind of building, restoring the thing. What have you done to it?
Well, in the last 9 months, we put a new motor in it. We put a new transmission. So we took the 289 out, put a 302.
Will you see under the hood?
Sure. Took the 4-speed out, put a 5-speed in it.
Oh,
it's a little dirty right now.
Dirty, dude. Dirty.
It's fun.
Excuse me, Gene. Dirty. Looks good.
But it's a fun little car.
And your dad was a racer. He raced cars?
Oh yeah, he's been racing since I was born. He always raced Mustangs. Down at the racetrack in San Pedro, California, and all over the place. So yeah.
Did he race this one?
He didn't race this one. He never got to race this one. It didn't look nothing like this when I got it from him, no. It had small wheels and tires on it, and it sat pretty low. So we did all new suspension, all new brakes.
What's the color? Is it original color?
It is not the original color. The original color, according to the code, is black.
Was it really? This is a black Mustang?
It's a black Mustang. So if we open up the trunk, you can see the 4 layers of paint.
What I love too, I love the rally stripes on this.
Yeah, so you can see there's orange. There's a little bit
there's a
little bit of orange here. There's a little bit of red. Yeah, so.
The evolution of this car is like when you cut down a tree, you count the rings. We can see. So at one point it was black, one point it was orange. And
now it's blue.
Rally stripes are really cool too.
Yeah, so it's really fun. It's got a few little things going on right now that I got to get redone. When they welded the rear end, they welded it on the 4 links. It's an inch over and it's tilted right now.
Here in town, someone did that?
Yeah. So we won't go.
We won't say the place, but you got to be careful too when you go to a shop. You want to go to a reputable place.
Yes.
Here you hand them your family's treasure,
right,
and they hand it back in bad condition.
In bad condition, yeah. They did a lot of not so great things. So, but it's okay.
There's shops out there like that.
You know, they tried. You know,
They did their best.
I learned that if a shop doesn't have a waiting list, don't go there.
That's a great point. Yeah. If they say we can get you, in tomorrow.
Take care of it, yes.
Yeah. Can I open it up?
Absolutely.
Oh man, I'm gonna slide around the other side. So 1965 Gen 1, there's about 600,000 of these sold. Number 1 seller was your basic coupe. Number 2 seller was the convertible. Number 3 seller was the fastback. And one of the big reasons it was the number 3 seller, because I think it's the coolest one out of all 3, was because the space in the back seat. If you had the coupe, you could fit 3 people, 2 plus 2, 2 in the front, 2 in the back seat. There's still a lot of room in the back seat.
There is.
Come inside, talk to me about the interior, Gene. How much is this, is still original? What are we looking at?
So, honestly, I'm not really sure. I'm pretty sure the gauges are original.
Yeah.
All the little stuff on the dash is original. The radio's been upgraded.
Yeah, no cassettes back in 1965.
Yeah.
But I do like it's like the retro.
Yeah, so
Retro
we didn't want to
Mustang?
cut the dash, and I told my dad a long time ago, please don't cut the dash.
Yeah.
So he just went with something. He never really listened to the radio anyways.
Did your dad have a vision for this car when he bought it?
He did, and the problem what happened is my stepbrother painted it in the garage.
By himself.
And he was supposed to rent a booth in where my dad lived.
Uh-huh.
And so my dad and his mom, they went on vacation, came back, and the car was painted and everything, but the stripes are off a little bit.
Yeah.
The paint's horrible, it's chipping, there's runs everywhere. So my dad he lost interest for a little while. So
Yeah.
it sat for 5 years and he didn't touch it. So finally me and my brother went up there and were like, come on, Dad, get in your car and drive it. Come on, this is why you bought it.
Yeah.
And so he drove it around for a little while and then he got older and got sick, so it sat. And then I took over.
Yeah. Steering wheel original?
No. No, I think my dad put that one on
Well,
there.
because when the Mustang came out in '64, when it first came out, it was the 2-prong.
The 2-prong.
And then in '65, you get the 3-prong. So, I mean, kind of period corrected the 3 prongs.
Sure.
And also, I don't know if you can see it. Can I get in the back seat?
Heck yeah.
I want to show.
Get this. This is a box of Hot Wheels. I can take that out.
It's a box of Hot Wheels?
It's a box of Hot
Oh
Wheels.
my gosh, we're going to have to open that
Car
up.
shows, we donate cars to kids
Do
and
you really?
do stuff like that, yeah.
Let's see here.
Just some old Hot Wheels.
No kidding. So you donate these to kids that come by?
Yeah, so when we go to the car shows, we hand them out to the kids and
Dude, Gene, you're a good man, dude. That's really cool. So kids
gets the kids excited and you know, they get to look through it and pick what they want, so.
Dude, that is a neat thing, man.
Yeah.
So they go home with a little memory, a little
Go home
treasure.
with the little, something that they get to.
Because as
Cherish,
a kid,
you know?
I'm sure you're like me, man. You just lived with these things.
Definitely.
Do you have a Hot Wheel of this?
I do.
Do you?
Oh yeah.
All right, let's get in the back seat. 'Cause I want to show everyone something really cool. Gene, get in here. Let's show how tight it is back here.
All right.
2 grown men. One of them much bigger than the other guy.
Yeah.
So it's
tight, but I mean,
tight.
I'm not hitting the seat.
no. You got room back here.
All right, for once, I'm gonna drive. You guys sit in the back.
Take us for a ride, Gene.
There you go.
Original glass back here.
Original glass. All the glass is original. All the chrome is original.
But that's the thing,
It's
though.
kept in pretty good shape.
But look where you're sitting, though. We're cruising in California. Your head is right here.
Yeah.
Sun beating down on you.
Yeah.
And we had the vents, too.
Yeah.
Working vents. Hey, Gene, come on the inside.
Yeah, they work.
This is a cool feature of the Fastback. Vents right here.
Vents, so on the outside, yeah, when you push that back, it lets air come in.
That's a cool thing, and the fact that you still got it.
It still works.
Yeah.
What happened to my light?
This is not bad back here.
It's not at all, yeah. And it's nice when you flip the seat down, there's a lot of room right there.
Oh, the seat comes down forward? Okay, so it gives you some space to...
Yeah.
Now, you said the seats are original?
The seats are original. My dad did recover them at one time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool seats. But I do find it so amusing. I mean, like safety. We're talking 1965. I mean, there's the way they fold down.
They don't lock in place, yeah.
Nothing behind the back of your head, too.
Right.
They had the deluxe seats that they had for the Fastback were really cool because they had the actual the Mustang on the seats, which was cool.
Yes, yeah.
Dude, I love it, man. Can we go for a ride?
Sure.
Starts right up. It sounds great. It's got a nice rumble to it. This was a 4-speed?
It was a 4-speed, yeah. Now we got 5.
5?
So now we can go on the freeway at about 12 to 1300 RPMs at 70.
Yeah.
and just cruise.
How is this? Have you taken long distance rides or anything?
The longest we've gone is to Atomic Motors. I don't know if you know where they're at.
Yeah, of course. We've done an episode with them. Yeah, absolutely.
Of course, yeah.
It's a great place.
Right now the choke's kind of staying on, but
So what's your background? Always a car guy?
I've always been a car guy. Yeah, I'm an electrician. I've been an electrician for 24 years,
Oh yeah?
but I've always been a car guy. I've always been a Chevy guy myself.
Your dad was a Ford guy.
Dad was the Ford guy.
It's in your blood.
Yeah, and I've always owned 1965 cars. The reason is because they're either the first year or the last year of that car. So that's why I like the 65. This is the first year of the Fastback.
Yeah.
And like my 65 wagon is the last year of that body style.
Dude, that's a cool tradition. What have you had through the years?
So I started out when I was 17 with a 64 Chevelle. I bought it at Pomona Swap Meet.
First year?
First year of that Chevelle, yeah. And I blew the motor up, bought a 400 small block from my buddy and built the crap out of it, and then somebody stole it 2 weeks later. Never saw it again. So then I went through a bunch of 65 El Caminos, and I had a 65 Cutlass F85 for a while. Oh, I missed that car. I got rear-ended by a drunk driver and totaled it.
No.
Yeah.
That's the one. Everyone has that one that got away from you.
Oh, I loved that car.
The smell too. Like I just love the smell, you know, of old cars and
No, it's an old car coming.
dude, this is a cool car, man, with a cool backstory.
Yeah, thank you. Don't forget your keys.
Family connection like this is neat.
It's fun.
Yeah, it is a lot of fun, man. I want to keep following the progress as you keep on working on it and making modifications to it, but
Yeah.
it's cool. You're keeping your father's legacy alive with the car, man. That's a really cool thing. Well, dude, man, thank you, brother, for your time and everything,
Yeah,
man, and
awesome.
Sharing your car with us. And got
Appreciate
a
it.
couple of us, too. You're a car guy at heart, and
Oh,
that's what we love, man.
definitely, yeah.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
If you want your car, shop, or collection featured on the show, then shoot us an email at carshopsandcollections@gmail.com. That's carshopsandcollections@gmail.com. And thanks for watching, and be sure and subscribe so you don't miss any future episodes of Cars, Shops, and Collections.